You just got a raise, more money coming in every month. So why does your bank account look exactly the same? This is lifestyle creep, and it's the reason millions of people earning over $100,000 still live paycheck to paycheck.
All right, now that you're comfortable, let's get into the details.
Huh. No way. Yes.
2 years later, income's up. Savings? Still the same. Yeah, woohoo! $7, 15, 10, and 12? That's quite the daily commute.
A treat. No, wait, just normal.
I finally did it! Oh, I want something bigger. Time to split this up. Lifestyle basket and the investment jar, growing nicely. What, $400 raise? Keep your expenses low. That's the one rule. Every raise. 10 years. Again. Systems over willpower. Use systems. 1. Raises don't make you richer, but creep does. 2. Hedonic treadmill times more never feels like enough. Your raise comes in, and boom, we split it. Half for your life and half into savings. Set up the auto transfer, and just like that, you're building. I feel good. Next, the O1 number that measures real wealth. See you Tuesday. Same income. Different result. Why?
You've got two identical salaries here, but on the left, net worth is climbing steadily. On the right, it's flat. NET worth canons, the only number that matters. You see here how income keeps rising steeply, but happiness, it just stays flat. There's a big gap between what we're told and the reality.
And that's how you do it.
No.
But wait. I need to be serious for a moment. This is Sarah before, making $75,000. Look at Sarah now, at $90,000 with an extra $1,500 a month. All right, time to invest this. Choices, luxury or security? Oh, the cobwebs. No savings, that's a mistake. $1,250 a month times 30 years at 7%. No way, no way. 1.1 million? Oh my God. Oh, wow. $1 million. Choose the path of intention. Avoid lifestyle creep. I've been thinking, did I actually decide this? Or did it just happen? Wow, a raise! This is incredible! Look at this! My life and my future! Yes! All right, split that money. One for spending, one for the jar. Perfect. What, $400 raise? Already in savings.
Welcome. Check out the channel. It's free. Every Tuesday.